Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We took a survey from the school and the PTA in which around 209 government-aided schools took part in it. They answered the survey and they rightly said about 196 schools clearly said they are not prepared right now due to the various reasons. First, they said the COVID cases are increasing. देंवन ना त्यो चढत आसात ह्या खातीर माय पाय कशीच कबूल नाशिल्ली आपल्या भुरग्यांक शाळेंत धाडपाक. PTA has clearly said no, we don't right now, let us wait for some time. शाळा कॉमेस करूंक तो बावेर सगल्यांक जायो पूण ते म्हणटा सद्याक टायम आतां देखून वेळ जावंक ना. कोविड केसीस मातशे देंवंक जायो. The sanitizing is there. The entire school has to be sanitized. And right now, many schools are in a financial crush. There is no finance from where to do this expenditure. Even the government has not given the maintenance grant of last year. Schools are ready for the 10th standard. But there are so many classrooms where each class, if we can just have 15 students, 15 to 20 students, with a big batch can be broken off. The infrastructure is there, resources are there. So on that line, the schools are ready. Other classes from 1st to the 8th or 9th, I can say, we can delay a little. Delay. Like last year, सगळ्या भुरग्यांक दुसरे क्लासीन आमी घातलेले. Even 9th कोण फेल झालेले ते 10th पडले. So this year, if the situation doesn't change, we can even have it as 0 year. सगळ्या भुरग्यांक दुसरे क्लासीन घातले कित्याक नो डिटेंशन पॉलिसीज आसाच.